Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with SQLite in mobile apps for offline mode, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by confirming you have SQLite integrated into your mobile app. Check if your development environment supports SQLite. For Android, ensure you have the SQLite library included in your project. For iOS, you may use Core Data as an interface for SQLite. Create a database helper class to manage database creation and version management. Define a method to create a new database or open an existing one. Use the SQLite Open Helper class in Android for easier management. Within your database helper class, override the onCreate method. In the onCreate method, define your tables and their columns. Use SQL commands to create tables relevant to your app's data structure. After defining your database schema, implement an insert method in your helper class. This method will allow your app to add new records to the database. Ensure you handle exceptions during database operations to avoid crashes. Next, create a method to read records from the database. This will typically involve using a cursor to traverse data. Implement a method to update records to keep your data current. Also, create a method to delete records when necessary. Once your helper class is complete, instantiate it in your main activity. Call the insert method to add your initial data for offline access. Use the read method to display data in your app's user interface. Test your implementation thoroughly to ensure data is stored offline. Verify that you can access the database even without an internet connection. Finally, optimize your database queries for improved performance. This will ensure smooth operation of your app in offline mode. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.